Well, today's election day, we have one every year in Virginia. This one's particularly exciting, I think, because there are a lot of people on the ballot, all your local officials, your school board, a couple of bond issues, a lot of different things on the ballot. Unfortunately, it's the year when the turnout is not as high as it is in presidential years, but it's the year when we elect people that make decisions right in our own neighborhoods. So it's an important election day. It's a year when the issues are really close to home, and I encourage everybody to go vote. If you haven't voted yet and you don't know where your polling place is, or you might have forgotten, you can go on the Fairfax County website, fairfaxcounty.gov, and go to voting, and there's a spot there where you can put in your address and find out where your polling place is. And again, they're open till 7 tonight, so there's still time.